Hi guys, so this sum or this proving is one of its kind. It's not like the rest of them. So we'll get to know about it as I progress, okay? So here we have sec theta minus tan theta over cosec theta plus cot theta. So this is the left hand side of the equation, correct? So my first step would be, this is already there. We need to multiply with the positive sec theta plus tan theta, both the numerator as well as the denominator. Got it, guys? Why are we doing this? You will soon get to know. Got it? Alright. So, having done this, what next? So, since we have a minus b and a plus b, can we not write sec square theta minus tan square theta over this entire thingy, right? Alright. So, having written this, we know that since sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, okay, as per the identity. So, we can write this, okay, as 1. 1 over what? The entire thing, which we have in the denominator. Got it? Now, we try and leave this, okay, the way it is. So, this was the difference I was talking about. Now, what about this? Now, we are going to take, this is my LHS. Now, we'll take the RHS. We have it cosec theta minus cot theta over sec theta plus tan theta, correct? In this case, we'll be multiplying the numerator and the denominator by what? Is there any idea? Yes, you're absolutely right. We'll take a positive of this, okay? So we go about cosec theta minus cot theta, which is the usual self here. Here we have this. This is cot. Alright. Below 2, we do the same. But before that, we need to write out this portion. So remember guys, don't mess up because we have a minus here. So we take a plus here. Alright. Just the way we had a minus here and we took a plus. Next step is a minus b, a plus b. So we can very well write cosec square theta minus cot square theta over the entire thing. Sec theta plus tan theta and cosec theta plus cot theta. Alright. Now, since we know that cosec theta minus cot theta, okay, in square is equal to 1. So, we get this as 1 and the entire denominator is to be written. Okay, just that I will try and change the order of these two factors. So I'll write this first, cosec theta plus cot theta, and then this sec theta plus tan theta. Got it? Why did I change it? Because I wanted it to be in the same order as this is, LHS is. So having done this, we know that now what? LHS is equal to RHS. So we came halfway for this and we came halfway for also this, and we were able to prove them equal. Correct? So this was the change that we did in our approach, which we hadn't done in our previous problems, right? Okay guys, so I hope you people have understood. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Have a great time. If there is any query, you're open to write to me in the comment box. I'll try and help you out. Okay, so bye bye guys. Enjoy yourself. Work harder for your exams. ठीक है? Bye bye.